Welcome to Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe. Welcome to the Days of the Week quiz. What day is tomorrow? Choose the right spelling. Today is Sunday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Monday. Tomorrow is Monday. Today is Monday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Tuesday. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Today is Tuesday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Wednesday. Tomorrow is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Thursday. Tomorrow is Thursday. Today is Thursday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Friday. Tomorrow is Friday. Today is Friday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Saturday. Tomorrow is Saturday. Today is Saturday. Tomorrow is 1, 2, or 3. Sunday. Tomorrow is Sunday. That's the end. Did you spell right all the days? Congrats! Good job! See you again on the Yes channel. Remember to like and subscribe.